Hello everyone, welcome back to Travel Vlogs. Today we are in the cultural city of Karnataka state of India, which is Mysore. Before Indian states were segregated after independence, the whole state of Karnataka was known to be Mysore state. Before independence, Mysore used to be capital place for Kingdom of Mysore. This is world famous Mysore Palace during the day, and this is in the night. Before we start our tour, please don't forget to hit the bell icon to receive the future notification on my videos. Posted travel videos across the world with a detailed description so that travel can be made easy. Please like, subscribe and share my channel Travel Vlogs for more such videos. Mysore is well connected from all the cities of Karnataka. Our journey started from the city of Hassan. On our way, we thought of visiting a famous dam, water dam, which is Yagachi Dam. The same river flows into the city of Belur, which I have covered in my previous video, Belur and Halebedu. After a quick visit of Yagachi water dam, we straight away proceeded to Mysore Palace. Mysore Palace is a historical palace and the royal residence of Wadayar dynasty. The palace is in the center of Mysore, facing Chamundi Hills in the east side. This was built in 1912. So most part of the palace has turned as a museum now. Things which were used by emperor and his family are kept in the gallery, including his golden throne. Wadayar dynasty is a noble family, ruled Kingdom of Mysore from 14th century till 20th century. This is Audience Hall. Compound wall of the palace. This is the view of Chamundi Hill from palace, where there is famous Chamundi temple, and the statue of Mahishasura. Most famous festival celebrated in the whole city and palace is Dasara. So there was preparation going on when we visited. You can see some elephants getting ready for Dasara festival. During the month of Dasara, the whole city decorates. It's month-long festival, worth visiting. This is another place which is very close to the city of Mysore called Vrindavan. This is adjoining to Krishnaraj Sagara Dam built for Kaveri River. Krishnaraj Sagara Dam was built in 1911. Even under poor financial condition of the state, King Krishnaraja Wadayar decided to build it for the benefit of people. One of the architects of the dam was Chief Engineer of Mysore, M. Vishweshwaraya. Vrindavana Garden occupies 60 acres of land, has many attractions including musical fountain. Posted few clips of dam and also Vrindavan Garden. Please watch till end. After this we are going back to Mysore Palace. On holidays and weekends, the palace will have special lighting which is very attractive. Don't miss out. And the lighting is for limited duration, but it's really worth visiting. Please be with me till the end. Mysore receives millions of visitors every year, and visiting is not limited to special period. Throughout the year this is open. We are back to the Mysore Palace. This is special lighting only for limited period during weekends and holidays. Hope you have liked this video. Please like, subscribe and share my channel Travel Vlogs for more such videos. See you again with new video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.